Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, this question came from an instructor at the Art Institute, and he asked me, how do model releases work? When do I need them? So, I think this was a question from him for his students, so I'm sure he knows the rule. But in general, a person has the right to publicize themselves or their image. So you can't sell prints with their picture on it or put their face or their likeness on your product without their permission. So whenever you are working with models, you want to have a model release. Or if you're a professional photographer and you do weddings or senior portraits or family portraits or professional headshots, whatever you do, you want a model release provision to be in your standard contract. That way you can turn around and use any of the images you take in your professional life in your professional portfolio and use them to promote yourself as a photographer to get more work. Because if you don't have a model release, you can still take the photos, but you can't sell them and you can't use them for any type of commercial purpose, including promoting yourself. So that is why model releases are so important. And if you do use an image without a model release, you could find yourself being sued for publicizing the person's image, because that's often a state law. And then they could also go after you for additional damages. So you want to be really careful when working with models. Always, always, always have a model release. You want that part of your template. So that way, once the photo's taken, you can do whatever you want with it. Ideally is how it should be written. If I was writing something for a photographer, that's how I would write it. That the model has been compensated and that the photographer can use it for anything they want. So that is my 2 cents on this topic. If you have more questions about model releases or you are looking for some help in getting a model release written, feel free to contact me. My information is below. Or contact an attorney in your community. So I hope this has been helpful for you. And with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.